Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for E-TRADE IRA accounts. An individual retirement account or IRA is a great way to save for retirement, and E-TRADE is a popular online brokerage firm that offers a range of IRA options. First, let's start with the basics. There are two main types of IRAs: traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs allow you to deduct your contributions from your taxable income, but you will have to pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. Roth IRAs, on the other hand, do not offer tax deductions for contributions, but the money grows tax-free and you won't have to pay taxes when you withdraw it. To get started with an E-TRADE IRA, you will need to open an account and fund it. You can do this by visiting the E-TRADE website and following the online application process. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to fund your account, which can be done by transferring money from your bank account or by rolling over an existing retirement account. Once your account is open and funded, you can start investing in a range of assets, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. It's a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns. One of the best practices for E-TRADE IRA accounts is to take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. This can help you smooth out market fluctuations and avoid trying to time the market. Another best practice is to keep your fees low. E-TRADE offers a range of low-cost investment options, including index funds and ETFs. These types of investments typically have lower fees than actively managed funds and can provide broad diversification and strong long-term performance. It's also important to monitor and adjust your portfolio over time. As your financial situation and investment goals change, you may need to rebalance your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your objectives. E-TRADE offers a range of tools and resources to help you do this, including portfolio analysis and investment advice. Finally, it's a good idea to take advantage of tax loss harvesting. This involves selling investments that have declined in value to offset gains from other investments and reduce your tax liability. E-TRADE offers a tax loss harvesting tool that can help you identify opportunities to reduce your tax bill. In conclusion, E-TRADE IRA accounts offer a range of benefits and advantages for retirement savers. By following best practices, such as diversifying your portfolio, keeping your fees low, and monitoring and adjusting your investments over time, you can help ensure a secure and prosperous retirement. Whether you are just starting to save for retirement or are nearing the end of your working career, an E-TRADE IRA can be a valuable tool in achieving your long-term financial goals.